If you want to delete or want to remove your YouTube channel due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up YouTube application and tap on this profile icon here. Then tap on Google account. Then tap on Data and Privacy. Scroll down and you will find a section, Apps and Services. Tap on it. Then tap on Delete a Service. Again, tap on Delete a Service. As we are deleting a Google service, that's why, for security reason, it's asking for password. Now, these are the services currently I'm using. To delete YouTube service, I will tap on this icon. Now, if you want to hide, then you will select first option, but if you want to delete permanent, then you will select second option. Check these both and press on Delete My Content. Here, enter your email address and finally press on Delete My Content, and your YouTube channel will be deleted permanently. That's it, guys. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.